what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. Ooh, look what you made me do.
WallyWorld special, bitches. It's my project for today. I don't even know what day it is. 18th of May. I was in a good mood. I bought a barbecue. Not too often I'm in a good fucking mood these days. Weed's kicking in. Woohoo! I don't know what the fuck I'm having today. Nerds or something. Sour nerds. Medicated. Alright, bitches. That's what I've got done so far. I'm getting there. RTFO mofos. Whoa. Alright, bitches. I'm getting there. But it's break time. I think I should have taken the weed candies after I put the barbecue together. Yeah, they were some kind of fucking nerd things. Nerds. I disagree. I've said it before. They should not make it look like it's for kids. It should just be a plain white fucking package. Yeehaw. Alright. I got leftover pizza that I made from 3 in the morning. Break time. Coke and a pizza. Yeehaw. $200 for this barbecue. It was $249 like a couple weeks ago. On sale, I guess. $200. It'll be nice to have a gas barbecue again. Pizza. Toaster oven pizza. Made this in toaster oven. Alright, bitches. Let's see when I get the thing together. RTFO mofos. Alright, bitches. What a beautiful fucking day. Firewood pile's going down. I've been splitting it. I'm going to do a review on my wood splitter. So, the fucking gummies are really kicking my ass. I walked around the barbecue 3 times in a circle. I don't know why. It's coming along. Couldn't tell you how long I've been fucking doing this. Probably close to an hour. So, there you go. I wanted a red one. They had it in red, but it was $50 more for the red one. Fuck it, exact same. Fuck it. $200. Fucking huh. See? I haven't been in a good mood in a long fucking time, and I'm in a good fucking mood today. Fucking huh. Alright. I'm going around in a circle again, and maybe I can figure out why I was fucking circling the wagons. Circling the barbecue. Alright. For $200, fucking... I don't think it's too bad. I gotta figure out how to put this side burner in. This is a mystery. I am reading the instructions even. Look, yeah. But it's kind of confusing about that. I'll figure it out. Shouldn't be fucking high doing this. Don't get stoned and assemble cooking equipment. Okay, RTFO. Where's my Coke? I have Coke. Coke. RTFO mofos. Well, one step closer. What a pain in the cockhole this was, putting this fucking side burner in. The control was fucking zip tied and bent in around. Oh yeah, fuck. I just remembered. I have to put a screw back in. And I have 2 extra screws. It says to put them somewhere down here, but I have no idea where the fuck they go. So much for the instructions. I'm getting there. Fuck, I'm high as fuck. It's awesome. HAF, bitches. High as fuck. Woo! RTFO. A beautiful fucking day. Alright, bitches. I'm done. That's what's left over. The big long thing, it wasn't long enough and I fucked something up, so it stays out. The one washer, figured that out afterwards, and all those screws, don't have a fucking clue. Not an idea. So, if anybody's keeping count, that's what's left over. Oh, beautiful fucking day. Hey, Butthead. They have a Coke on Butthead's head. Coke Butthead, but Coke head. Hey. Ow. There we go. Bitch nuts. Glorious fucking day. Trilliums are blooming. There's a dead frying pan. It's actually a bird bath. That's what I use that old frying pan for. Here we go. Trillium. There you go, bitch nuts. The flower, provincial flower of Ontario. Wee. There's going to be a change here very soon. Coming. Very soon. It's going to look different. Yes, yes. Alright. Here we go. It's not level, I don't give a fuck. It's together. With all those pieces left over. I've connected it, but I haven't tried it. Flames! Flames! Fuck yeah! Woohoo! Look at that, eh? I'm an idiot! Woohoo! Oh, fucking hell. There you go. Alright, bitches. It's my fun for the fucking day. I'm gonna go get even more baked and play video games. Cheers, big ears. It's nice to be in a good mood for a change. RTFO, mofos.